on my back, I got them ripping me. Heard me. Know I play with M's, must be stupid if she curved me. Fitted hat and forced to still be dressing like I'm serving. Rookie of the year, I got the ball and they got nervous. Remember having mask on way before Corona hit. Told 30 not to cross the plug, he went behind me, set the pick. I play like a beast, but my demeanor humble. Don't make me turn up. Go so hard, they got to retire my number. Big 12, unranked underdog. Train to go when I ball. Losses turn to lessons, I can't see myself falling off. And I'm having accuracy, I pull up and shoot off the rip, off the hip. Check the score, it's 20 zip. Swoosh, if you ain't got no check for me, don't check for me respectfully. I can't let my kid down, I'm building up my legacy. Ain't compete with nobody, I'm just trying to be a better me. Introduction about to show you something that you ain't never see. 5 rings, 5 chains, 2 watches, that's 12. Come through and slam on you, I'm in the air. Before it's all said and done, let me make one thing clear. True to it, not new to it, I'm rookie of the year. Love the game, it relate to me best. I do work better under pressure when I'm put to the test. Strategic how I move, I just treat it like chess. On point, team around the grill is on my Michelin nest. Straight from Memphis. Now I'm up, can't sleep on me. Take a risk to win, that's key. Put a show on for them people, give them what they came to see. How you trying to teach me something? You ain't made it cross the street. I deserve the keys to it, I'm my city MVP. Swoosh, bad. If you ain't got no check for me, don't check for me respectfully. I can't let my kid down, I'm building up my legacy. Ain't compete with nobody, I'm just trying to be a better me. Introduction about to show you something that you ain't never see. 5 rings, 5 chains, 2 watches, that's 12. Come through and slam on you, I'm in the air. Before it's all said and done, let me make one thing clear. True to it, not new to it, I'm rookie of the year. Bad. True to it, not new to it, I'm rookie of the year. True to it, not new to it.
Wake up and go get it.
Like the 90s getting dough on a hoe. Count bread getting blowed on a hoe.
Wake up and go get it.
Niggas act like they don't know me no more. I guess I ain't the old me no more.
Wake up and go get it.
Like the 90s getting dough on a hoe. Count bread getting blowed on a hoe.
Wake up and go get it.
Niggas act like they don't know me no more. I guess I ain't the old me no more.
Wake up and go get it.
Are you mad? Get your motherfucking cash up. Get your stash up. Get your biggity bag up. I got mad drugs. Bad bitches show me mad love. Thought you was rocking on the gram. What you mad for?
That's why I don't like niggas. Smoke all your weed, try to drink all your liquor. And that bitch a stripper, we probably won't tip her right after we flip her.
We been getting money on some grown shit. We been moving different on some zone shit. Bitch, we rich, we got our own shit. Hitting bitches with some long dick. You ain't getting money, is you crazy? I ain't bloodin', but that shit crazy. In the coupe doing 180. Tell the motherfuckers, yeah, bitch.
Wake up and go get it.
Like the 90s getting dough on a hoe. Count bread getting blowed on a hoe.
Wake up and go get it.
Niggas act like they don't know me no more. I guess I ain't the old me no more.
Wake up and go get it.
Like the 90s getting dough on a hoe. Count bread getting blowed on a hoe.
Wake up and go get it.
Niggas act like they don't know me no more. I guess I ain't the old me no more.
Wake up and go get it.
I fell in love with backwood, Russian cream. 100 for a zip, what the fuck you mean? So many zips, I'm feeling like I'm Billie Jean. So many whips, I'm feeling like I'm Mr. Clean. And these hoes gon' say they love you when you do your thing. Any niggas, they gon' hate you when you doing the same. Don't hate the player, little nigga, you should hate the game. Before the paper, little nigga, you gotta make the change. You want the change, little nigga, you gotta make a change. I'm talking change, little nigga, like another lane. Word to Mary, about to change my last name to J. I'm on strains, and my niggas call me Plain Jane. She holla gang gang till she got a gang bang.